美国东华车上济95号公路滨州费城高架路段，昨透早桥骹有一台油罐车烧起来，无偌久往北路段的一节路就放弃，赶紧甲路封起来就按算讲要用几个月时间来修路咯。对于美国东北地区的交通来讲影响是真大，也毋过真加载讲这意外无人受伤。
对经过车所翕到的画面，会当看到公路下骹大火伫咧烧，乌烟冲到天顶去哩。美国东华商务营的95号州际公路滨州费城高架路段，11透早有一台油罐车伫咧桥骹大火。
Today at 6:22, we received a call for an accident response. That's an engine ladder battalion chief and medic unit to the off ramp of Cottman Avenue here. Companies arrived on location and they found we had heavy fire from a vehicle.
无像你讲，尾下上北的路段有其中一节，互大火一直烧，路面发生崩乱意外。当局担心大火影响路南车道结构的完整，所以双向北的车道全部拢封起来，火伫点外钟了被控制。不过95号州际公路全线总共连接15个州，也佫经过人真多的东北地区，恐惊对当地交通造成真大影响。
We're also looking at interim solutions to connect both sides of I-95 to get traffic through the area. With regards to the complete rebuild of I-95 roadway, we expect that to take some number of months.
好在在这件意外并无传出人员伤亡，不过代志惊动北京。美国总统拜登已经听取相关干部，并且指示联邦政府提供援助。公司新闻张伟林编辑。